So they're still wanting us to find a XY intercepts. This is section 1.1 part 4's video. They're giving it to us in not so much a standard form or a slope intercept form. It's kind of hodgepodge. So what we want to do is just, we still use the same principles. X-intercept y equals 0. So I have 2x equals, that will go to 0 minus 30, because that's 3 times 0, so it's 0. Divide by 2, so the x-intercept would be negative 15, which would be 0, negative 15. Now, the y-intercept is when x equals 0. So basically I have 0 equal to 3y minus 30. And then I move the 30 to the other side. It's a negative. When I move it to the other side, it should be a positive. And then, of course, we will divide both sides by 3. So I have the y-intercept equal to 10, which would be 0, 10. Now, they want us to solve the equation for y. So we've got 2x minus 3y equals 3x. 2x equals 3y minus 30. So what we want to do is we want to get our 30 to the other side. So we'll add. So we'll have 2x plus 30 equals 3y. And then what we'll do is we'll turn around and we'll divide by 3 everything. So I'm going to do it over here. Y equals, that's 2/3 x plus 10. And that would be what we put in here. So I went ahead and divided by the coefficient of y to everything, and then I put it y equals. Okay, so you can graph it from there. On this one, I just want to show you how you can do it, but I'm going to show you how to do the equation a little bit easier. It has fractions, and I'm going to show you how to clear your fractions real quick. I'll multiply everything in this equation, both sides, by 4, the denominator. And in doing that, it'd be 4 times x divided by 4, which should just be x, plus 4 times y, which would be 4y, divided by 4, which would be just y, equals 4. So let me write that out. That would be 4x over 4 plus 4y over 4 equals 4. And folks, you should be able to see very quickly that these cancel, giving us this. Now the equation, we can very quickly see that, okay, the x-intercept's 4 and the y-intercept's 4, right? So just be mindful of that. All right. This is more of a theory type problem. It says find the y-intercept of the line y equals mx plus b. Well, we know that the b is the y-intercept. So that's really 0, b. All right. Whatever the point is, right? But find the x-intercept. That means that if I want the x-intercept, y equals 0. So I'll plug 0 in for the y, mx plus b, and I'll take the b to the other side. So negative b equals mx, and then divide by m. So I get the x-intercept being negative b over m. So that would be negative b over m, 0. Okay, so that's how this is theoretically set up. And we've got one last problem to do. Delbert must increase his daily potassium intake by 2,520 milligrams. He decides to eat a combination of figs and bananas, which are both low in sodium. there are 9 milligrams of potassium per gram of fig and 4 milligrams of potassium per gram of banana. Now, seeing as they went ahead and said potassium is potassium in figs is X, then we know it's 9X, right? That's 9 milligrams of potassium per gram. Okay. And then how much potassium is in the bananas, the Y. So that would be 4Y. And then write in an equation. Well, what we would have would be 9X plus 4Y equals 2520. Because the total intake needs to be that, and that would be what we have. Okay. I think this concludes section 1.1, part 4.